Creating trainings just got a whole lot easier. With our AI course generator, you simply upload your documents and we do the rest. In minutes, you'll have a complete course, including quizzes to test your learners. Fast, smart, effortless. Go to the Setup section and open your course menu. Click Generate Courses. Upload the document you want AI to turn into a course. Click Transform. In minutes, your content will be transformed into a microlearning course. From there, you can review and edit the text, swap out or update images, rearrange cards or add new ones. Even include AI-generated avatar videos. Customizing and launching engaging training has never been this simple.